Last week we had a request for a QR code generator. So let's do that. In case you don't know, which of course you likely do, a QR code is essentially a graphical representation of information, things like your web address and contact information. So when you make a QR code, you're making an image that is embedded with the information that you want to put out. And then when people scan that image with their phone, it'll, for example, open your web page for them. I've seen them on web pages, on business cards, and even stamped on physical products that I've bought from various stores online. And so the seller gets to put their advertisement on the item without it completely looking like an advertisement. So yeah, let's whip ourselves up a QR code generator and add it to your Python scripting toolbox. I'm Cliff, and I'm thrilled to get to put the real power of the internet back in your hands. All right, let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is import this library called qrcode. Of course, before you import it, what do you have to do? You have to pip install that library. If you don't know how to do that, there's a video dedicated directly to it. If you haven't done any of the scripts in this series yet, you're going to want to go ahead and watch video 2 because it's going to tell you how to set up real simple so that you can run your scripts easy and in a sensical way. Okay, there's not a whole lot to this. This library rocks, and it just makes everything super easy. So you're on this one right here, the data variable, you're telling it that it equals wherever you're wanting people to go. Okay, so I put my URL in here. You put yours in there, right? Or whatever you're promoting. You can even put in an affiliate link in there. Then later, this is going to make a call to this, right? And it's going to basically encode this data for you. You can change the colors of it, although traditionally it is just black and white. And then you're telling it where to save that image. In this case, it's just going to save it right into the same folder where this script is. And when it's done, it'll just give you this little message to let you know that it was saved. And so in this case, it's when you run this script in that folder, a new image named qrcode.png is going to be generated. You can, of course, save this to any name you want. Like whenever I ran it, whenever I was just building this script, I ran it. Well, I had changed this to locustware.png because I was going to go through several variations of putting in different URLs. So yeah, that's all there is to this. I know these videos are getting shorter and shorter, but if you're getting it now, you've been through several of the videos, especially like the first 8 or 10 or so, then you know at this point just how easy this stuff is. So there you go. You now have your own QR code generator and can start advertising your URL without looking like an in-your-face advertisement. Do me a favor, leave me a comment, just let me know what you think about the app. And of course, if you want some other new software that I don't have available yet, just describe it in the comments and I'll try to knock that out for you. And if I've earned a follow and a like from you, I deeply appreciate it. If not, then I'll just keep trying. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorial.